fleeting stars will carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand, like goddess. You say you'll always look at me this way. Then on this day. Again, congratulations and best wishes to all, Shirley.
Thank you so much.